Hello, and this is another icon making tutorial. So here I'm just going to make an icon just like this and tilt it aeroplane. So here some tricky part. So what I'm going to do, just no, not for this. I'm going with this rectangle tool. See now how we can make this type of rectangle. With this help of this rectangle tool I can make a tilted aeroplane. So for making this kind of aeroplane, just selecting this part and down, and now selecting this part, now uh, this this one. Okay, now this one, and now this part. Okay, now I think this is one of the tricky part you can make for like this one. So see, this is actually tilted. So what I'm going to do here, just put this is inside this one, and okay, no, also this is not helpful here. I think that this will not helpful. So you have to do lots of experiment with tips and generate your own trick or making any kind of icon. So here I just uh, going to make a stroke here. So now thicker stroke, some thicker points. Okay, this is thicker strokes. Now I think this should be the 300 or 200 better. So see, this is okay. Now 100, go for the 100. Okay, now see this stroke, and here I'm going to make a tilted uh, aeroplane, and it looks like this is a it's the size font size, okay, sorry, and font size, and here it is. And now there's a challenging part, most challenging part here. So icon making is very interesting thing, because you have to imagine the icon as simply as possible. Okay, because icon is one thing that's type of logo. Okay, so as simple as possible, this is the main trick to making icon. So here is something like this and like this. So this is mostly for the tricky part. I'm just experimenting uh, things like this. Okay, is it go for, will go with this. Okay, now there's a very outside noise of my room. So because my room is actually the roadside. Okay, now see, I'm going to put it here. And just one thing you have to do for the making blackish thing here. So stroke, so nicely I'm going to put this stroke here, and everything is possibly you need to make the smooth and straight line. So I need to make a straight line here. So it's something like that, something like this, something like this. Okay, so it's done. So as you see, there's an icon making and logo making is same kind of thing. So the difference between of the two things is when you are making icon, uh, always keep in mind that your icon should be as simple as possible, minimalist and simple. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that your uh, icon cannot be very complex, otherwise your customer maybe reject. Okay, but your logo maybe sometimes maybe some complex idea, so convert it or make it's came from some complex idea. uh, it's in the case of logo, but icon should be simple and minimalist. Okay, so watch this video till the end, and I will definitely uh, show you some tips and tricks, and invent some tips and tricks uh, going through this video tutorial. So watch. So here it is some tilted type of uh, illustration, tilted aeroplane. So you can see this. I'm just expanding everything here. So why I'm expanding everything, that's you all know, that's the same type of illustration, same type of for stay in its original form. So now another challenging work here. So I'm creating a circle. So at this circle, so I'm creating just a little bit of dome type of thing. So what can I do for here? Just like this, little bit of like this, and like this, just. And now you can clearly see a handle appear here with the direct selection tool. Just pull it up, and with the direct selection tool just selecting this and a little bit of up, one up, two up. So it's too much, so here I'm going to destroy this one, and just this handle, with the help of this handle you can manipulate this one. So here another time we need a help of this, manipulate this side also. So it's a little bit of egg type of things, Easter egg like of things. I can clearly understand that. So when you are trying to make any icon, you should keep in mind that you have to do with minimalistic style, one, uh, and two is as simple as possible. Okay, so here dome type of things. So now what I'm going to do here, just make a like this and put it here, a little bit of bigger and put it here, something like that here. And just keep in mind it's white. Okay, now with the help of this align tool, I'm just selecting both of this, and now hit alt and select this one, and now after this align. Okay, so it's a middle or center of this. So here one thing, and now what I'm going to do here, just go ahead, just this one, and now for this one. Okay, now you can clearly understand it's a aeroplane. Just it's the help of imaginations, you need to create as simple as possible. Okay, so here you can see this is not necessary here in creating this part. So it's create something, okay, like that, and just selecting with the help of this tool, and so selecting this up, so it's something ugly looking. So what I'm going to do here, just selecting this one and cut this point. After cutting with the help of this pathfinder tool, copy pasted font, now reflect transform, reflect it. Okay, now put it here and join everything. Now put it this point. In this guide, this red arrow showing you the center point. Sorry for interruptions outside of my home. It's a very noise area. Okay, so sorry for this bike sound. uh, okay, now here you need to do something like this and up. Okay, now put it here, put it this positions. This red arrow, you can clearly see this red arrow. uh, this is actually guide you in this center. This is the center. Okay, you can, and if you don't see this smart guide on, control u, this is shortcut. Okay, you can also see this perspective guide. You must on this smart guide on to see this kind of arrow, to see this kind of arrow. Okay, this intersect. Okay, so this is center point and this is the line. And now selecting both of this, now after selecting this one, hit alt, and after alt, this is with the help of this tool, horizontal align, horizontal C, this is the center point. Now this is center point. Now release these both of things, and sorry, this one, selecting this one also, and now this is center point. In this red arrow guided you the center point, so selecting this one and select this one, and this is center point. Okay, so everything is all right. Now we need to do one more things, that is aircraft wings. Here, this is wings. Okay, over top. Select with the help of direct selection tool. Okay, this one, and now this is, and now this one. Okay, like this. Now I'm happy with this formations. Okay, put it here, something like this. Guide, smart guide tool, always helpful for you. Now put a black circle here. No, we don't black circle here. Now this one also. Okay, I think this should be larger, and selecting this one with the help of shift, select this one and this one, hit alt, and this is central line. Okay, copy pasted font. Now put the help of alt, put it here, and bit of smaller size. Now selecting all of this, and after selecting all of this, transform, reflect. Here you can see this magic, preview mode on, copy, and now hitting this is your left arrow, or with the help of shift, uh, with the help of shift you can clearly put it here, but it is for the alignment. What you need to do, just check it out, the ruler mode on, uh, control R, with the help of control R, this ruler mode on. See this wings, and first of all, control and Y, this is your you can see this outline mode, and it's clearly see this gap and this gaps not similar, so this perfect gap. Control K for the selecting this 50 megapixel. I'm not need just 10 pixel, so putting 10 pixels, 1 2 3 4 5, so the 5, so putting the same things here, 1 2 3 4 5, so selecting this one and now put it here. So once more, 1 2 3 4 5, so everything all right. Now close, and now close this outline mode. Okay, see, this is everything all right. Now delete this thing, so this is very helpful. Now object, go to object, expand everything, expanding everything. You can see this, our aircraft is ready, but a little bit of portions you can uh, see this portion. Okay, and it is, you can, with the help of alt, you can put it like this and put it like this. So that this is can, you can check this perspective. Okay, now is everything all right? Sorry. Okay, now this is your icon is ready. This is one mode and this one mode, and sorry, grouping everything, group, and put it this, like this one. Okay, now another thing we can do here, another icon, this is very common icon, you can do it here. So very common transport icon, it's bicycle icon. So how can we create this bicycle icon, this tire part? So before uh, you need to draw this tire part. Now put it here. This is center. Okay, so perfect. Now what I need to do here, just it is not like this, it's 10 pixels, we can see everything what happening here. So this one, but here a little bit of not, don't like to use this one. Just a simple, no sorry, simple rectangle tool with the help of shift and simple rectangle tool. M is the shortcut here. Now put it like this. Sorry, put it like this, and with the help of direct selection tool, now to up. So put it here. Let's clearly see the intersections. Okay, okay. Now after this, you can selecting this with direct selection, with the help of direct selection tool. Now this one, this one leg here. So after that, the hip portions, before making hip portions, just make the upper portions for uh, okay, this one, and just something like this T type of things, and just T type of things. Now just a thicker one. Now copy, paste it on. Now after copying this one, rotate like this, rotate like this, and rotating, fixed it like this, and see, another thing you need to do, the same thing you need to do here for making the hand portion. So sorry, hit alt, selecting this one and hit alt. With this, hitting alt, see, and now uh, selecting this one, a little bit up, sorry, no, with the help of selection tool, now put it here. And another thing you need to do, selecting this options and these things, and put it here also. So after that, you need to fix this one and put a circle, and this circle is smaller one. This head should be this title, no, cancel, and see, this is a head portion, and that should be like this same. So you need to fix these options. Now after doing everything, all right, uh, put this aside, put this aside, and see, our icon is ready, but here is something problem occur. So we need to fix these options, fix these things, and now you can see, uh, So here you can clearly see this is our, you can change the mode, something like rounded shape, so it looks nice. So now selecting these things and these things, join everything. No, I'm not happy. Selecting this one, join this one. Now this is the extra portion we need to just with the shape builder tool, hit alt, and now here it looks nice. So this icon is ready. So after that you need to put it here. It's center, see the center, uh, and you need to fix it here. See the center, red arrow, you can see this red arrow, something pink type of, okay. So expand everything. After expanding, so let's check it out. So you can put it here, or bicycle is ready to go. Bicycling is ready to go. So bicycle, bicycler. So I think that this should be better. Okay. So this one this is another type of icon, and now the last design before stopping this lecture today. So here the scooter font shape of the scooter, you can clearly see this is, and check. So here it is, see this one, and so yes, this font shape. Now simple things you need to do for exploring your creativity when you are designing any kind of logo or any kind of icon. The difference between logo and icon, it's very easy. That's very two or things is very similar. That's logo and icon should be simple as possible. Okay, but logo sometimes may be complex, but icon always be simple. Okay, so here I need to fix this one. So this is one thing, and now put it here, just now vanish this part, and now put it like this. So it is the font shape. Now go with this circle. Now a little bit of thicker one, okay. Now so here our the headlight is ready. Now select this one and this one, and this one with the help of shift, and now hit alt once more. See, this is everything is aligned. So put it like this, and so it is here. Now go to strokes. You can clearly see this is rounded shape of the stroke. Now copy paste it font. After this one, reflect it, okay. Now this is the outline mode. You can clearly see this is the stroke. Join this stroke here for the, okay. Now it is like that. It should be, and now switch up of this outline mode. This is scooter font site of this scooter. Okay, now let's say very good looking, nice. Now go like this, a little bit of thinner thing. Now expanding everything, go to this object, expand everything. After expanding, put it here. So this, so before closing this tutorial for today, there are some other icon also, and I'm speedifying my process. You can clearly see this is just the font shape of some truck. So there is lots of transporting type of icon. You can clearly see this in this over here. So just watch this video tutorial till the end. You can definitely learn something. And as I told you that there are some basic difference between logo and icon making, so you can clearly identify and rectify what is logo and what is icon. So watch this video tutorial, and definitely when you are going with your experience, you can make more icon with definitely no time. So my object here to speedify your process when you are making icons for your clients, when you are making logo for your clients or for own personal use. So keep in mind one thing, that experience should be give you a make you a better type of designer. So